When it comes to public relations, everyone could use a little help. Running a business is tough enough, so when it comes to marketing and publicity, it helps to have someone in your corner to help spread the word about you and what you have to offer. Jonathan JDOGG Lederman is known as the positive broadcaster. A published author, Jonathan has been referred to as a dynamic speaker and coach, and he has dedicated over 40 years of his life to helping other people excel. Jonathan offers Emcee services, voiceover services, marketing and media relations assistance, and public address announcing. He is also very dedicated to the American Cancer Society and has raised over $40,000 to plant the seeds of hope and healing for cancer patients, their families, and friends. He is the people's lead for 2018's American Cancer Society Relay for Life of Sunrise. And if he can achieve something like this, imagine what he can do for you. To find out how Jonathan can help your business shine, contact him at 954-254-8227 or visit him on his website at thespiritualawakening.com.